Guys, I'm excited to share this project with you. Like, I've been working on this project for a very long time now, and finally I succeeded. This is wallet recovery phrase project. Take for instance, maybe you want to recover your crypto wallet phrase, maybe your Meta wallet phrase, your Trust wallet, your Coinbase, crypto, etc. So this is a project that I have worked on for educational purpose only. For educational purpose only. So I'm just going to take my time and explain this very project, how it works, how the front end works, and how the admin dashboard works. So I'm going to break it down so that you understand the project. And I know some persons will want to get this very script. You won't see this outside. Trust me, you won't see this outside. So this is how it works. You come to the site and you want to connect your wallet, and you click on connect wallet, and it tells you to recover your wallet phrase. It tells you to recover your wallet phrase. Take for instance, I want to connect this wallet now. Then I choose any wallet I want to connect. Take for instance, I want to recover my Trust wallet phrase. We all know what is called Trust wallet phrase. In case you want to, maybe you forgot your wallet ID and the rest, and you want to recover it back, so you just have to click Trust wallet. Then it's either you want to recover it by phrase, or you want to recover it by key phrase, etc. Now it will try to connect to your wallet, but in some attempts it will fail. It will debug. It will tell you Trust wallet failed to connect your wallet. Please continue to recover your wallet. So in this place, you click on continue. It will now ask you to recover your wallet phrase. So from this place, you can put your phrase, either your phrase or your key store or your private key. Again, I repeat myself, this is for educational purpose only. So now every phrase, every seed phrase, any wallet you are using, every seed phrase is 12 words. 12 words. So you have to impute your 12 words. You have to impute your 12 words. Then after that, once you are done, you click on recover or import. Now normally on Trust wallets, once you click import, it will load and it will take you to your wallet. But in this place, it will debug an error. Trust wallet could not connect. Now, to you from the front end, there was an error, but it was not an error. That is how it was programmed. Now, as an admin, you can log into your admin and you can see this very phrase. So let's try key phrase again. Let's try key store. Key store is always password. Let's use 133456780. Then let's try and import also. Okay, it must be 12. It must be 12. Now let's password. Let's try and import also. It will give you the same error. So now let's go and log into our admin dashboard and see what we'll get here. So I'm just trying to log into my admin. Then let's see what we just did, if it really worked. Now, as you can see, key store, we have two. We have two here. Then if you scroll down, you see the two we just did is here. Trust wallet. One is for key store and one is for seed phrase. So this is it. So the project worked perfectly. Now let's go and click on Coinbase wallet also. Let's try Coinbase wallet and let's try to, it will try to connect to your wallet. Then it will give you an error message that you can click on continue. No, to recover your phrase. So the same thing, I'm still going to use a random phrase. Then I'm going to click on import. then it will still debug an error. Now let's go to our admin panel and let's check what we just did. Now if you check your admin panel, you see that it's submitted. So on the front end, it will debug an error. It will tell you it didn't work. So that is a project. Now this is for educational purpose only. Even when you contact me for this very project, I might decide to ask you some questions. What are you using it for? So don't feel embarrassed when I ask you what are you using it for. So let me know what you think. If this is a good project and if it's worth selling, just let me know. Just drop your comments on the comment section. Just let me know if it is worth selling, if it is a good project. Like I said, it's a personal project. It's a personal project. So if you find value in this video, I want you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that whenever I release video next time again, you'll be the first person to see it.